but only one cell has the connection, others are just like a dummy cell. I don't know which company has made this, but this is a cheating. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Electromech Solutions. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with others and press bell icon for further notification. And I hope you will like this video. Please watch the complete video, don't skip the video. Let's start the practical. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I have received two power bank to repair. Let's see check what is the fault. I need to open it. You can see the wires are broken. But only one cell has the connection, others are just like a dummy cell. I don't know which company has made this, but this is a cheating. Let's see, check the another. This also don't have the connection. These are just the dummy. This one is only connected. So let's check the cells reliability or performance. Select your meter on the 20 volt DC. This is giving 3.66. These are just dummy. Let's check this one. Four point zero. You can see this is nothing, just dummy cell. These all are dummy. Friend, as you can see, they are used just for the weight purpose. Only this cell is in working condition, as you can see. So we will repair this cell. We need to connect this cell. So we need soldering iron. So these are dummy cell. So friends, we are soldering this. So friends, let's check this. Now this is ready. I think you have liked this video. Share this video with others. Please subscribe my channel for further important videos. And you saw nothing in it. We have just one cell that is 5 volt DC. So and some other cells are just dummy cells just to make the weight. So thanks for watching. Stay blessed.